So this is the Shark Rotator Professional Complete Seal. This is the Electrolux Precision. You see this sign on the side here? Self-cleaning brushes. You want to see how wonderful that is? I never ever have to cut hair away from the brushes on here, because if it's full, I press that little lever right there, that button, and it cuts the hair off itself. And just to show you how much hair can get caught in my house in a vacuum when I have a huge dog, I'm going to show you the Shark's brushes. I started cutting some of it away to show you the thickness. And this is only in a week's time, because I have dogs and cats, as many of us do. That's what this brush is supposed to help with your furniture. Some of you may have had luck if you haven't. This is my second brush. What happens is you have to stop and clean hair off of those brushes. And when you try to put it back together, it never wants to work right. I've tried it so many times. My husband tried it. But this one, brand new, and it fell apart while I was using it. Put it back together and it doesn't want to work. So why keep spending money on that? I'm going to show you. We're going to lift this wand away and hook this brush up. So I've got the brush on there, and this, they say, is their power brush. It goes all by itself. Well, it really doesn't. The vacuum actually makes the gears turn, which is what makes it work. The lady at Shark, when I got the replacement, said it has its own motor. A motor works on its own. It doesn't need a vacuum to make it work, in my opinion. The roller, not even rolling. It's a good vacuum, and it's best for people who don't have a lot of animals, or any really hairy dogs or cats. With this one, it's simple design. I use this on my couches. I hook it up. This is what it looks like as it rolls across the furniture. These little bristles here pull the dirt, and it sucks it right in through that hole. That's a much better design. Plus, this brush, which Shark does not give you, is a really good brush. They are both very good vacuums, have great suction, but I do prefer my Electrolux because of the brush cutting. It's the self-cleaning brush, excuse me. The Shark has great suction, but as you see, you have to clean that brush off. Not ideal with a lot of pets. I'm going to show you how hairy my hairiest dog is, so you can see what I mean. Well, first I can show you my hairy cat, who is right here. Hi, Otis. Yeah. There she is. See all that hair on her? Now I'm going to take you to the big dog who is a St. Bernard. And there is the big hairball. Creates mega hair all over, even if you furminate them. So, St. Bernard owners and dogs who are very furry, this one's not too hairy, but she does shed. Really need a vacuum that can withstand this hair and make life easier. The Electrolux is a little harder to push because it is not self-propelling, but I will take self-cleaning over self-propelling. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you decide on a good vacuum for your hairballs. Have a good day.